been bitten by your teeth. Turn me around when you do. Turn me around when you do. Whiskey sour.
It is Friday. I just got off of work. I get off early on Fridays, so it's about 1:30 right now. And I am going to spend my Friday. What, baby? What, honey, baby? Come here, does your pipapoo. Come here, honey, baby. I am about to spend my Friday cleaning. And then later tonight, I'm gonna paint. But I really wanna go into the weekend with a clean house. So this will be like a clean with me, paint with me vlog. I did start my period today, so I'm cramping and I'm just like, oh, honey bunny, come here. I wanna say hello. Her my little sugar plum baby. Her my little sugar plum do baby. Her little princess baby. So I'm in the mood to do some nesting. I'm going to do a little house reset. I need to clean my whole house. I need to do Doja's cat box. I have to like do all of the things. And I was gonna do it Sunday, but my house it's messy. Like there's laundry to be done. It's a lot, and I just want to knock it out before the weekend, like I said, so I can go into the weekend with a clean house. What, honey baby? Her just so cutie. Her just so cute. I love her. So I'm gonna put some music on. I don't know if I want to light a candle now or after. What do you guys do when you clean your house? Do you light the candle before you clean, or do you light the candle after? Let me know down below in the comments. I'm always curious how other people do it, because sometimes I will do it before, like while I'm cleaning, just to like set the vibe, but most of the time I do it after. But for sure I'm gonna put some music on and just jump into this. I'm feeling motivated and I want to take advantage of this mood to clean, so yeah, let's do it. Get a paper towel and wipe the top of that.
Okay. I started it.
And then close that blind down to keep it
In a couple years. Because you have to deal with the stickiness.
We're gonna do some,
You know what I mean?
we're gonna do some umi today. That's gonna be the vibe.
Umi?
Oh no.
Umi? Umi? Umi City? Hey yo, my grippers are out.
You can trust I will be accountable to you.
Oh, there's
The
ads.
state and our freedoms are worth fighting for. To protect
Isn't that copywriting or what?
fix our schools and lower costs. I'm Kate House.
don't deserve that. Sneaky link, turn into an enemy. I'm a boss, not a servant. You're a student, I'm a teacher. If you really think I'm weak, you can say that. If you need the last word, you can't take that. Running around talking smack and it'll come back. And you don't wanna try me cause you gon' look whack. Every time a man tries to make me look dumb, I will get your friend, they were waiting in the lineup. You can't be ashamed of how I act from the get-go. You put it on yourself, you should've known me from the jump, bro. I don't play games, but you will lose to me. I'm calling checkmate, cause you won't do it to me. I'm the prize here, I'm the cash cow. Money come to me in my sleep, it's just the facts now. I'll put you in your place, you won't forget about it. I'm the best thing that could've ever happened. Years will go by, and you'll still think of me. Wishing to the gods you went about it all differently. Got receipts, screenshots, and you're down bad. Told your girl, it's okay, she don't deserve that. Sneaky link, turn into an enemy. I'm a boss, not a servant, you're a student, I'm a teacher. If you really think I'm weak, you can say that. If you need the last word, you can't take that. Running around talking smack and it'll come back. And you don't wanna try me cause you gon' look whack. Try me and I'll do it again. Don't try me cause I'll do it again. I'm your lesson, no I'm not your friend. Cry about it cause I'll do it again. You're upset, why you playing pretend? I can see it now, I was God sent. Don't try me cause I'll do it again. I'm your lesson, no I'm not your friend. Ha. Grass wasn't greener on the other side, was it? Yeah. Try your mama, not me. You know I'm ballin'.
See inside. See inside. You'd be surprised what you find. Take a glimpse inside my mind. You'd be surprised what you find. Until you came along, somebody I could lay my shoulder on. I've been waiting so long. Take a glimpse inside my mind. You'd be surprised what you find. Take a glimpse inside my mind. See the visions I've designed. Hesitation or doubt, you're the one I can't do without. You're the king, I gave you the crown. I just wanna be a girl, unconditional lover. Now come and get them things, take a glimpse inside my mind. get dressed up, but we're going nowhere. I'm a lost girl, I don't care, yeah. My friend's in a famous band, yeah, he's living the dream, but he's just as lost as you and me. All the pretty girls I meet, who are dumb rich like the queen, yeah, they're oh so lost like you and me. A quiet street, suburbia, I'll find my place in outer space, or anywhere but here. All my friends are aliens. We smoke the same weed, but we don't look the same, no. And we get dressed up, but we're going nowhere. And we're so lost, but we don't care. We don't care. I'm from a place you see on screen, where the dreamers dare to dream. If you're happy here, then stay. If you wanna leave, then leave with me.
You know how to whistle, don't you, Steve? You just put your lips together and blow.
Excuse my language, that's a hang up on how city I'm feeling. Sorry, I feel no attraction and none of this feeling. 'Cause I've been so long, so long.
I've thought about it a lot, and this is what's gonna happen. Okay, I'm gonna keep pursuing what I'm pursuing. And because of that, you're gonna start to resent me. And you're gonna tell me to ease up on the drumming, spend more time with you because you're not feeling important. And I'm not gonna be able to do that. And really, I'm just gonna start to resent you for even asking me to stop drumming. And we're just gonna start to hate each other. And it's gonna be ugly. And so for those reasons, I'd rather just